Welcome students. Our today's topic is biphenyl. Biphenyl. Yesterday we have learned about allenes. Okay, allene. I told you allene is also the compound which is also the allene is a compound which is chiral compound, although it is not having any of the chiral molecule. I told you this thing, and all this thing we have discussed. This is a structure of allene, and many more things we have discussed, that there should be even number of double bond, terminal, how the groups of the terminal carbon atom, how they are, that also we have discussed. And I told you that allene is the compound in which there is no chiral carbon, then also the compound is chiral molecule, then also the compound is chiral molecule, and the molecule show the optical isomerism. It means it can rotate the plane of polarized light. The same thing we are going to learn in the biphenyl also. Biphenyl is example of the same thing, means it is also the compound in which there is no chiral carbon, then also the compound is chiral molecule. Now first of all let us see, this is the structure of biphenyl. See, first of all we'll discuss, I'll tell you all thing about biphenyl, and then afterward I'll give you the points of this topic biphenyl, what to write in the exam. Now these are two. The structure of biphenyl is like this. Biphenyl means 2 phenyl. Now in the structure of biphenyl, in this structure this is one phenyl, this is the other phenyl group, and both phenyl group lie in the xy plane. Means both this benzene ring, both this phenyl group, they lie on the same plane. Means they lie like this. Okay, this is one phenyl and this is other phenyl. They both lie like this on the same page or on the same plane. Means it also lie in the xy axis and it is also lie on the xy axis. Now if I say that both the ring lie on the same plane, then this compound become achiral. Why become achiral? Because if both the benzene ring they lie on the same plane, then there are elements of symmetry. It means plane of symmetry is there. How the plane of symmetry? If both they lie on the same plane, and if we'll pass the plane like this, if we'll cut the molecule, if the molecule is like, and if we'll cut and if we'll pass the plane like this, ऐसे plane pass करेंगे बीच से, so the plane it will divide the molecule into equal parts. यहाँ से प्लेन पास करेंगे बीच से, so this plane will divide the molecule into equal part. This is the part and this is the one of the other part. So this molecule has plane of symmetry, and if the molecule is having the plane of symmetry, then we can say that the molecule is achiral. We can cut the molecule like this also, we can cut, and we can cut the molecule like this also. It is a one way to cut the molecule which give two equal part. This is one part, this is other part. We can also pass the plane like this, straight way we can pass. So it will cut both the molecule into equal part, front part and back part like this. That will be also the same part. Means this molecule is having two plane of symmetry. So if the structure of biphenyl we keep like this, then we say that this molecule is achiral. So we have to make some improvements in this structure. Then only we can say that the molecule, the compound is chiral compound. Now what are the changes we will make in this compound to make it a chiral molecule? So what we will do, we will put some heavy group here. Which group? Heavy group NO2 or COOH, and here also we'll put some heavy group NO2, and here COOH. We'll draw the diagram. If this is the structure of biphenyl, then in this position we'll put the heavy group. If here we put NO2, here also NO2, here COOH, here also COOH. This heavy group will put at ortho position. Now what will happen? If we put the heavy group on the ortho position, then there will be the repulsion between these two groups. Because these two benzene ring lie on the plane, they both lie on the plane, so these two group will be in front of each other. So because these two group lie like this in front of each other, then there will be the repulsion between these two group. There will be repulsion, and in this also there will be repulsion. Because of repulsion, what will happen? Because of repulsion between these two group, and between these two group, this benzene ring, it will rotate. Because, and one more reason is there, carbon-carbon bond is there. I told you in the previous video also, if carbon-carbon single bond is there, then in that case the molecule undergo rotation. थोड़ा सा rotation रहता है in every molecule. If single bond is there, if sigma bond is there between two carbon atom, then the molecule undergo rotation. Maybe it take rotation of 10% rotation is there, 20% rotation is there, or sometimes 50% rotation is there, but there will be rotation if single bond is there between two carbon atom. Sometimes rotation is very less percent, so it is not can be seen properly. Now in this compound, because we put this heavy group at the ortho position. See, one more thing, that this heavy group, it should always be kept at the ortho position. It should not be kept at meta position or para position, because these two positions are far away. Only ortho position, they are near to each other. These two are ortho position, and these two are, this is ortho position, this is ortho position, this is ortho, and this is ortho. So we have to put the heavy group at ortho position. So because now what happens, there will be repulsion between these two groups, and because of repulsion, this molecule, this one benzene ring, one phenyl ring, it will undergo rotation. It remains stable on one plane, and it will undergo rotation. So what will happen? Now this benzene lie on the same plane, and this will undergo rotation, so it will be now become like this. The structure now become like this, that one benzene ring, one phenyl ring, it becomes perpendicular to the other phenyl ring. What happens? One phenyl ring, it becomes perpendicular to the other phenyl ring. Why this happen? This happen because of this heavy group we kept in the ortho position, which make the phenyl group to undergo rotation, and it has taken the perpendicular position with this group. Now the same conditions takes place which we require. Now what happened? This is in the xy plane, and this is in the yz plane. Now both plane are different now. Now both phenyl ring are not lie on the same plane. They both lie on the other plane. Now we'll see that now the molecule, it become chiral or what? Yes, now the molecule become chiral. We made the molecule chiral. How we made this molecule chiral? By adding the heavier group here. By adding the heavier group, we rotate the one phenyl ring, and we made this structure chiral. Okay, we made this structure chiral. Now what is going on inside if we are adding this group? See, if we are adding this heavier group, there is no plane of symmetry. The plane of symmetry which we have seen in the previous structure, when there was no heavy group, we have seen that there were two plane of symmetry. One was passing like this and the other was passing like this. Now is the plane of symmetry is there in this group also, in this molecule also? Let us see. Now if we'll cut the plane like this, if we'll cut the molecule like this, then what will happen? This is, see, if it is one molecule is one phenyl is like this and one phenyl is perpendicular. Now if we'll cut the molecule, if we'll pass the plane like this, if we'll cut the plane like this, ऐसे cut करेंगे plane like this, then it will pass. How it will pass? From this phenyl it will cut like this, है ना? If we'll pass the plane in this manner, if we'll cut the molecule in this manner, means this plane will pass in this form, in this from this phenyl group. So what will happen? This phenyl group, it will cut in two part. This is one, this is above part and this is downward part, and both part are different. See, if we'll cut the molecule like this, if we'll pass the plane like this, if we'll pass the plane like this is the one part and this is the other part. इसको कट नहीं करेगा, इसको कैसे कट करेगा? क्योंकि प्लेन है ना, एक प्लेन है, नहीं देखो प्लेन है, एक्सिस नहीं है, एक्सिस नहीं है, प्लेन है, तो ये पूरा प्लेन ऐसे ही आएगा, ये प्लेन है पूरा, ये प्लेन ऐसे ही प्लेन आएगा, ऐसे ही, इसको कट नहीं करेगा, वो सीधा सीधा ही रहेगा, इसको कट करेगा, इसको ऐसे कट करेगा, बीच से ऐसे कट करेगा, ऐसे 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 कट करेगा. सो दिस फिनाइल विल गेट डिवाइड इन टू पार्ट. This phenyl, it will get divided in two part. One part has this group and one part has this group, and both parts are different. Thus we can say that if we'll pass the plane like this, then there is no plane of symmetry, because that plane is not cutting this phenyl group into equal part. But what happen if we'll pass the plane, if you pass the plane like this, एक तो ऐसे प्लेन पास करना है, वन प्लेन, एंड द अदर प्लेन विल पास लाइक दिस, है ना, इन दिस डायरेक्शन. सो द प्लेन विच वी आर पासिंग लाइक दिस, it will, that plane will not affect this phenyl, that plane will not affect this phenyl group,